Hey guys, it's me Gabby, and today I'm doing Animal Jam. And yes, I am doing Animal. Okay. So I've been doing some shopping, and yeah, mostly pink and purple stuff here. But let's do a little bit more shopping, guys. And yes, this is my first episode. I just wanted to start without you guys, because sorry guys. Because I did not want you guys to see my password or stuff. So yeah. But guys, my Animal Jam username is Summer Shimmer One. Sorry, actually I'll just say, okay. My Animal Jam username is Summer Shimmer 10 6 12. Okay. So let's do a little bit more shopping, and then we can go out somewhere, like, I don't know, somewhere in the Animal Jam world. Okay, guys, I think I did a well job on this. Let's play the best dressed to earn gems. Okay. Okay, so we had to wait until the next round, but we are practicing right now. Technically, I said. Okay, so let's do this. No. I like this. Oh, these are mask. Oh, I get it now. Oh, I like this. I like the star. Oh, that would look so cool. I shouldn't have done that, but you know, me is me. Me. I always wanted to have pink eyes, but it looked ugly. So, yeah, pretty much. But I like these blue eyes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. Like an astronaut. Okay. We got this. We got this. 40. They gave us like 40 something seconds. Can't do this in 40 seconds. I saw astronauts. Oh, where? Okay. I like this. Okay. I'm so nervous. I don't know if this is good enough. Okay. Let's do a smiley face. Oh, there's me. Okay, let's upvote. Ooh. I'll vote him because he did a little stars like me. And now, the winners. Okay, guys, cross your fingers. Aw, man, I wasn't part of it. I want to be part of that dance thing. Oh, there's 2 seconds. Surprising. Dress up the shiniest. Hey guys, let me tell you where I am. I'm right here. Ooh, let me vote her because she has the same tiara as me. And let's put this because we're happy. And when you're happy and you know it, yeah, I'm not gonna sing that. For your guys' health, please. What? No. I'm bad at this. Why? I put a crown. Oh, the loudest? I don't know. Okay, let's just dress up loud. I don't know what that said. Oh, no, 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 I want the wings. Is this a skirt? Oh, it is a skirt. I like that. I also like the wings. Tell me down below which one I should have done, okay? Okay. Should have I done the wings, or should have I just stuck with the skirt? Okay, so oh jeez. I don't know why, but I'm voting. Okay, let's wait. Why everyone has the eyeball? It's gross. Was it like the scariest or something? Most like a dancer. Okay. I got this. I got this. Let's put a tiara on because, um, we just won a competition. So, ooh, what's this? No, I don't like that. I kind of like this. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. I'm probably like just doing this stuff that I like and not even part of the category. Okay, I'm gonna stick with this. I'm probably gonna lose. I'm probably gonna go with the. Maybe not. Uh. Ooh. Everyone. I like this little foxy girl. I don't know who that is. Uh, uh, yeah. Okay. Let's see the winners. Uh, nope. Still nothing. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave it here. And yeah, a comment down below. What is your Animal Jam username? And it's on my wolf. So you guys don't, if you guys don't remember, so comment down below that so I can friend you guys and stuff, and we can chat. And yeah, if you want me to do more series of this, please comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.